The base engine Cayenne 958 uses a MAF sensor. It is located on the tube to the air filter cover and the intake tube, indicated by the red arrow. You can change out the MAF blue arrow without removing the engine panels, but if I'm changing the MAF, I like to install a new air filter. This means removing the left side engine panel to access the airbox lid, red arrow. If you're not going to do this, just skip to step 4. Lift up on the 2 clips on the top of the airbox lid. If you are replacing the air filter, use a flathead screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp to the intake tube, red arrow. If you are not replacing the air filter, use a T30 Torx and remove the 2 screws, blue arrows. Pull back on the gray tab and then lightly push down on it and separate the electrical connection. Lift the MAF and the airbox lid, red arrow, together out from the engine compartment. Use a T30 Torx and remove the 2 screws indicated by the red arrows. Remove the MAF from the tube. Make sure to check the condition of the gasket between the airbox lid and the MAF and replace as needed. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.